Hello student, how are you? We have continued our chapter 50 from the market to home. So today we see the CW part and workbook part also. Both parts we have to see. Okay, now we start the answer in one word. You have to write the CW part in the CW and workbook part in the workbook. Okay student, now answer in one word. From where does Chotu's father bring fresh vegetables? From where the Chotu's father bring the vegetable? I when I explained the whole lesson that time I told you Chotu's father get up early and bring the fresh vegetable from the mandi or it is the market. So from where does the Chotu's father bring the fresh vegetable? From the market, right? Now second number, in which season does Chotu's father sprinkle more water on vegetable? I told you when the summer season is there, then all the vegetables dry very quickly. Vegetables release the water very quickly. So in summer season, every fruits vegetable seller sprinkle the vegetables water on the vegetables in summer season more, and in winter season and monsoon season also they sprinkle the water, but it is some amount of the little amount of the water. In summer season it is spread more amount of the water. So right here is in which season? It is the summer season. Now which vegetable grow underground? So many vegetables grow underground like potato, onion, carrot, radish, right? So many vegetables grow under the ground. So we have to write here potato, carrot, onion, that fruit, that vegetable grow under the ground. Okay. Now fourth number, which fruit thick juice do we eat with puri during the summer season? During the summer season we have to eat puri and that juice. Which juice? Which juice we have to use? In summer season which fruit grow? In summer season grow mango in more amount of the quantity, right? So we have to make a juice of the mango and we eat some occasion with the puri, right? So here is the which fruit name? It is the mangoes. 5 number, which wheels is used by Vaisali's father and uncle to bring the vegetable from the market? Which vehicles is used by the Vaisali's father and uncle to bring the vegetables from the market in early morning when the tea is over? Which vehicles come in the street? It is the tempo. Tempo comes in the street and all the street persons and the Vaisali's father and uncle go to the tempo to take out the vegetable from the market. So it is the tempo. Right? 6 number, which vegetable grow under the ground and mixes with almost all other vegetables while cooking? One vegetable is very important and mixes all over the vegetable. एक जो वेजिटेबल है जो मोस्टली सारे वेजिटेबल के अंदर मिक्स हो जाता है. विच वेजिटेबल इट इज द पोटैटो, राइट? सो पोटैटो मिक्सेस in all the vegetable. Now here is the CW part over. You have to write answer in one word in the CW. Now look at here. Open the page number 25 of the workbook. Here is the Seema's mother has brought some fruits and vegetables from the market. Can you find them in the picture? Color them and write their names below. So many vegetables and fruits are given here, and you have to color the picture and you have to write the name of the vegetables and fruits. Okay, look at here. Potato, here is the potato. Carrot, here is the carrot. Banana, here is the banana. Brinjal, bottle gourd here. Lady's finger is here. Lady's finger. Tomato, then spinach and apple. So many vegetables and fruits are given in the picture, and you have to color them according to the color of the vegetables and the fruits. Here look at the picture given below and write the name of each vegetable under this picture. Here is the picture of the vegetable. First one is the potato. Second one is the brinjal. Third one is the onion. Fourth one is the cauliflower. Fifth one spinach. And sixth one is the cabbage. Right? Now look at here. Some fruits are given and we have to write the name of the fruit. First one is the apple, then banana, then grapes, papaya, strawberry and pineapple. Now look at here. We see the hot question of the lesson that we have to underline below the correct answer. Which of the following vegetable is bitter in taste? Which vegetable is bitter in taste? Have you know? Yes, the vegetable of the bitter gourd. Yes, I sing one song for you. It is the very important vegetable is there because it cure many diseases. કડવા કારેલાના ગુણ ના હોય કડવા, કડવા વચન ના હોય કડવા જીરે. That means कड़वा मतलब bitter. bitter कौन है? कारेला, bitter gourd. bitter gourd जो कड़वा होता है, bitter होता है, पर उसके जो गुण होते हैं वो बिल्कुल ही मीठे मीठे होते हैं. आपको पता नहीं होगा, जो बिटर गार्ड है वो हमारी डायबिटीज, जिस पर्सन को डायबिटीज है उसका जो जूस निकाल के देते हैं बिटर गार्ड का, तो वो उसके लिए, वो पर्सन के लिए बहुत ही क्योरेबल है. मतलब डायबिटीज कम हो जाती है. हर रोज अगर बिटर गार्ड का जूस पीते हैं तो डायबिटीज कम हो जाती है. और वैसे ही बिटर गार्ड का हम वेजिटेबल, पता है कि छोटे बच्चों को जो कड़वी चीज़ होती है, बिटर टेस्ट की जो चीज़ होती है वो बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आती, लेकिन वो खाने से हमारी बॉडी के अंदर, जो स्टमक के अंदर और बॉडी में जो खराब जर्म्स है वो उसको भी मारती है. इसीलिए मैंने कहा ना कि कड़वा कारेला ना गुण ना होय कड़वा, कड़वा वचन ना होय कड़वा जीरे. मतलब जो कड़वा बोलते हैं, जो हमारे ऊपर ऑर्डर करते हैं, आंख दिखाते हैं और बोलते कि ऐसा नहीं करना है, ऐसा नहीं करना है, लेकिन वो इंसान हमारे भले के लिए बोलता है. और इसीलिए उनका जो कड़वा वचन है वो हमको सुनना है. इसीलिए हमारा डेवलपमेंट बहुत ही अच्छे से होगा और हमारे अंदर एक डिसिप्लिन आएगी, है ना. तो ये है बिटर गार्ड. नाउ which is the following vegetable can be eaten raw? Which vegetable you have to eaten raw? हम कौन सा वेजिटेबल कच्चा खा सकते हैं? पोटैटो, कैबेज, स्नैक गार्ड एंड ब्रिंजल. तो हम कैबेज जो है वो अच्छे से हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं. तो हमको कैबेज के नीचे अंडरलाइन करना है और बॉक्स में बी लिखना है. ओके. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग छोटू डज एट 10 AM before going to school? Then he does his homework, he goes to the gym, he stay at his father's handcart, he plays with his friend. So D option, he plays with his friend. Okay students, so here we have completed our lesson of the workbook here, but CW question answer is left. Okay student, Till next video we will meet. Bye bye.